Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and I've been thinking about, the future of Windows and Windows 12 next year, and I've, looking at a lot of things that I don't like about Windows, the way that it's going, and mostly the fact that since Windows 10, Microsoft has used Windows as a advertising platform. Everything about it as some form of advertising that you can switch off for some things, but not always. And at some point, you get the search that is full of crap from Bing, and even the widgets is almost kind of a panel for that, bringing us to, of course, all the time, everything Bing, everything Microsoft, and even the desktop screen. With all of its data, if you look at the start screen, when you turn on your PC, if you click in one side or if you click on some text, it's going to actually bring you to Bing once again to give you the information about the picture. Now, I'm not complaining about the picture because the start screen with the picture, I like it. I always liked it since Windows 10. I find it beautiful when you turn on your PC. You got the big clock. You got the picture. Pictures are most of the time really beautiful. But it's the tricky way that Microsoft has us going into Bing and advertising in any way. And I wish for Windows 12 that would be removed. Windows 12 is coming. It's time to put things right in Windows. And I would love that to be the case. What we could do with Windows 12 could be very interesting. There's a lot of talk about AI. There's a lot of talk about, what the future brings with all of this. Well, maybe it's time also to rethink that Windows is not an advertising platform, it's an operating system. There's no ads in Mac's operating system. There's no ads in Linux. There isn't any ads, for the most part, on stock Android, for example. Even Android could be playing that field, and it's not. It is maybe on some manufacturers pushing certain features, but it's far from the way that Microsoft doing its business with Windows 11 right now. And I think it's wrong, and I think it's something that is, unfortunately, diminishing the quality of the product. They've done things in it and pushed ads in it, and it kind of feels like less of a important operating system, top quality system. It feels more like some advertiser trying to do things. And I would wish that Windows 12 would remove that. Question of the day for all of you guys: what do you think about the ads on Windows? And yes, I'm pretty sure everybody's going to say, yeah, we want it to be removed. We want them to be removed. And I'll have another question because the next video is about another subject that's very interesting, showing us that Microsoft is slowly coming back to the good old days when it actually went into the antitrust issues and problems with the government. That's going to be the next video. So, are you annoyed by the ads within Windows in any way? And the way that Microsoft always tries to bring us to the Bing and to the Microsoft websites. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.